Double-click on downloaded file. Select Install Printer Driver and click on Next. Here USB is already selected. Click Next. It will automatically search the USB printer. Click Next. Click Next. Here you can change the name of the printer. Click Next. Click Next. Printer installation is completed. Click on Print Test page to check connectivity of the printer. You can also explore preferences to make changes in the printer setting. Here default paper size is 100 mm by 150 mm. You can click on drop down to change the label size. Click on New Paper to create a label size of your choice. Hope this video was helpful.